When it comes to taking out a mortgage for a home, many people don't even know where to start. Oftentimes, they don't even know what questions to ask. That's why it's so important that they have a mortgage advisor that they can trust. I help them to get the information they need so they can make informed decisions to help solve the challenges that their families are up against. That way, they can get the most out of their home loan and buy the home of their dreams. When our clients work with us, they find really early on we're really big on communication. We're gonna give them the rundown as far as what we need, all the basic information up front. And then once we get all that in, we review everything, and then I'm able to really customize a loan program that fits their needs. And then I'm also gonna reach out to them and talk to them about their goals.
I would simply say that if you go with anybody else, you're making a huge mistake. Life is so easy dealing with Tom. As a matter of fact, we did a refinance on the same house a couple years ago when the mortgage rates dropped, and that was even a more simple process. Any other home that I buy in the future is going to be with Tom and the Bessemer Group.
A lot of people in America need homes. There are some specialty areas that we're known for. One of those is working with veterans and active duty military. Aside from the VA program, we really do all the government insured mortgage programs. And we also deal with conventional mortgages. I can also deal with the commercial side as well.
One thing that I appreciate is even though it's been a few years since I closed on our refinance, I still receive newsletters from Tom. They let me know what's going on in the industry.
When people are looking at taking out a mortgage, they think about, well, oftentimes just calling their bank or their credit unions where they do their financial transactions. Because that's not all they do, it's really difficult to find somebody that really knows what they're doing, has the client's best interests at heart. If the mortgage is a really specialized thing, it's really important to have somebody that really specializes in that, and that's what we do. Not long ago, I had a client, a Marine Corps veteran. He owned a business up north, and he was closing that business because he found a job working for a government agency in Florida. He went to his credit union, applied for the mortgage. They denied him for the mortgage because they said that he was going from being self-employed to a new job. So he called me up and we had like a 5-minute phone conversation. I was like, that isn't a rule. That's something they made up. So we took the application, we moved forward. He had 18 days from the date that that organization denied his mortgage to the date that his contract was set to expire on his purchase and sale agreement. We got it done in 17 days. We got him in, keys in hand, and he's just super, super happy. If you're not sure where to start, you maybe don't even have questions other than, I want to buy a house, I have no idea which end is up, just give me a call, shoot me a text. You're also welcome to go to my website. The pre-approval process is really easy. It's all done through my website, tompessimir.com. There's an apply now button right on the screen, and I'll reach out to you and we can talk through it and come up with some next steps for you. And I'm sure you'll have some questions soon into the process from there.